Have you ever wondered, how could one man become the richest person who ever lived? That's the story of Genghis Khan, the mighty leader of the Mongols, and the subject of books like Genghis Khan and the Making of the Modern World by Jack Weatherford. Now picture this. Over 800 years ago, Genghis Khan started out as a poor boy on the windswept Mongolian plains. No giant palaces, no piles of gold, just a dream and a whole lot of determination. But by the time he died, he controlled the biggest land empire the world had ever seen, stretching from China all the way to Europe. Let's break down the key ideas behind Genghis Khan's incredible wealth, and what made it so different. First, Genghis Khan didn't pile up money like a dragon hoarding treasure. Instead, his real wealth was his empire: land, cities, people, and power. Imagine if you and your friends owned every playground, every soccer field, and every ice cream shop in your whole country. That's kind of what it was like. Second, he shared the riches. Unlike most rulers who kept everything for themselves, Genghis Khan gave his soldiers, friends, and even ordinary people a share of what they captured. That made people loyal, and helped his empire grow even bigger. It's like if your team wins a big prize and everyone gets a piece, not just the coach. Third, Genghis Khan made trading safe. Before him, traveling between Asia and Europe was super dangerous. There were robbers everywhere. But under his rule, merchants could cross the empire safely, so goods like silk, spices, and ideas flowed freely. In a way, he was like the world's coolest crossing guard, letting people move and trade across huge distances. But why does all this matter? Well, Genghis Khan's story shows us that wealth isn't just about money or gold. Sometimes, it's about building something bigger like trust, teamwork, or a safe community where people can grow and share. Here's a thought. If you could build your own empire, what would you share with your friends? Would you give away your favorite toys, your ideas, or maybe just your time? So next time you hear about someone being rich, remember Genghis Khan, the ruler who showed that real wealth can be about helping others and making the world a better place for everyone. Thanks for listening. I'd love to hear what you think about Genghis Khan and his idea of wealth. Let's talk in the comments below.